Janjan Pastas is also on the bench. Let's see L.A. Casinillo.
Yeah, and malaking opportunity for him to be, displaying his wares here in the NPBL to start it off.
Robbie Darang, 10 to shoot. Robbie, jumper, no. Ramos, he found that basketball.
And I like that Robbie offensive shots from the outside.
JJ Espanola pulls up, the jumper is good. Marilao bumps into the defender Gabawan. Casinillo for 3, that's good.
Well, you can't leave.
Gabawan, taken away by Espanola. He finds Obalde for the 2 points.
Well, quickly.
4-9.
Beautiful play.
Alex Ramos once again. Sazon getting separation. Yves Sazon.
Yun ang nakakatakot eh. Perhaps he'll have that option to dribble penetrate going inside.
9-all at sinagot naman siya ni JJ. One. Manalang also could not make it work. Sazon is free for 3. Yves Sazon. Back comes Yves Sazon. Harvey Bringas in the ball game. Bringas. Santos quickly to Maines. Maines, yes.
Shy away from contact. He likes to initiate the contact because he wants to take control of that situation. As in basic basketball, that's how it
will wait. Cedillo puts the ball on the deck and lays it in for 2.
Well, he continues to be very good.
Quick spin. Bringas with the rebound. Octubre ahead to Bringas. Waits and scores. That's turnover number 4. Rafi Octubre knocks down the 3.
Well, finally, Rafi Octubre
gets it to Ron Lastimosa. Octubre again, yes sir.
We told you, we warned you about this. Once you...
5 seconds to shoot. Cedillo. Ball ending up with Cedillo. Pero Mingan cuts inside. Formento matched up. Alfred Cedillo with a pretty move. Everything but the basket there. Castro to Formento. John Formento scored.
Yan naman na nagugusto.
Kay Castro. Swings it over to Formento. Lastimosa. All day to shoot. That's good.
Bataan Risers definitely got the green sig.
Ani Galicia, takbo ang Bacolod. Solomon to Galit. And J.R. Galit scores on the break.
Well,
Espanola gets it to Galit. Oh,
wow.
What a move. Bataan up by 5.
Wow.
What a pass.
Really more known for driving than shooting perimeter, but you gotta cover the roller too. That time Gabawan was the recipient.
Galicia able to Sazon. Layup is good. Nice backdoor play. He will ask for a pick from Gabawan. Jamil Ramos libre. Great team play from the Risers.
Yeah,
Finds Solomon. Runs into traffic. Back out to Espanola. Pero Mingan for 3. Yes! 5 on the floor. Para sa Negros. Bataan starts with James Castro. The Astro Boy using some English. Galaw eh. Casinillo. Back to Marilao. Marilao puts it in.
Good decision of Danny Manera.
Casinillo with Obalde ahead. Casinillo will go all the way. One sa ilalim, lost the handle. Espanola picks it up. Takbo ulit ang Bacolod. Obalde to Casinillo for his 7th point of the ball game. I was there with Javi covering that ball game. It's James Castro.
Can't wait for that game where Rafi actually explodes alongside Dom Vera in Imbesa.
Nice. L.A. Casinillo. First that one, no call. And the pass too low. Oh, bumanda sa referee. He is part of the... Found his rhythm here in the third. Miles Cañal carving space inside.
Wow.
He scores.
Wow, that wasn't easy at all. Phalanx of defenders getting that shot against 3.
Obalde forces the contact and puts it in for 2. Out to Gabawan. Minus drives down the middle. He scores.
And Minus and Sa.
Lost the handle, able to recover. Pero Mingan could not get it in. And Miles Cañal has been effective. That's Jacob Galicia for Bacolod. Masjas to Cedillo. Will drive. Alfred Cedillo finally. He's been Nina.
Yeah, and rightfully so, because he really has that in his DNA. That's his calling card.
Oh, Janjan Pasjas gives Bacolod the lead, 58. Kailangan more of acceptance.
Yeah.
Ron Lastimosa, 3-pointer on the way, and that's good. Balik sa Darang. Santos from the corner. That's good. Looking for a teammate. Binigay kay Ron Lastimosa. Darang. Octubre turns around and shoots and nails in double digits. 10 points in the ball game. Bataan up by 7. Sa ilalim. That's a great finish from Jacob Galicia. Side Darang. Another crafty finish.
Side for Bataan Risers. It's really just a matter of how you use them in your system.
Minus late arriving, the help arriving late there. Sa rebound. Ako ang Bacolod, pero Mingan. Galicia inside, and Jacob Galicia. Obalde. Nahanap si Casinillo sa ilalim, and L.A. Casinillo. Castro. Nowhere to go. Torado inside to Octubre. There's Marilao. Back out to Cañal. That's a poor pass. Back-to-back turnovers for Bacolod. And Torado will lay it in, and pinabayaan. L.A. makes his move underneath. L.A. Casinillo.
Wow.
Makes his way to the paint. Keeps it in play. Ramos. The kick out to Torado for 3. Yes! Octubre. Ramos. Rafi with the basketball. Takes the 3. Yes!
Oh, wow.
It's a big shot. Galing kay Rafi Octubre.
You know, ganda yung laban na yan.
Obalde able to take that ball away, and he gets the 2 points. Still Robbie. Ramos. Jumper. Yes!
Alex again. Yeah, but you gotta get a real good stop here.
Darang. Yes!
Oh, wow.
That's what you mentioned, Coach. You need a basket, you go to Robbie Darang. Marilao will get the 2 points. 3-pointer, and Robbie Darang